I don't like makeup and girls, but now I will do with you my makeup. Let's go, people. So now, people, I will do this in my eyes like this, people. Look, people. Look. Sorry, people. Like this, people. After, people, I will do my concealer, people. Yes. Now, people, concealer, people, like this, from L'Oreal. Yes, people. Now I will blend this, people. Look. Sorry, people, I forgot to do my eyebrows, so I will do my eyebrows. Sorry. Like this, people. Like this. Like this. Look, people. Look the difference, people. Look. People, I don't have a beauty blender, so I will do this from MAC. Yes, people. Look, people. Like this. Wow, people. Wow. It's so naughty. Like this, people. You see? You see? Yes, people. Like this. This. Look, people. Now, people, I will do powder like this. Like this, people. Look, people. Look. So the concealer is done, people. Now I will do my eyelashes. Let's go, people. I will take this one, people. It's the best one. So now, people, I will do this in my... Yes, people, like this, people. Like this. Look, people, look. Look, people, like this. After my eyelashes dries, people, I will this. Yes, people. You understand me, people. Now, people, I will do this in my palette like this. Like this, people. Look. Oh my god, that's serious. I look gorgeous. I know, people. Thank you. It's natural, people. Yes, I swear, it's natural. Look, people. Look. So, makeup is done, people. See you soon. Bye. By the way, it's just for... السلام عليكم. كي دايرين؟ صافي لاباس عليكم؟ باسكو انا موديل ندير اليوم شوتينغ وقلت غادي نلبس ونديكم معايا تشوفوا داكشي كيفاش كيدوز. غادي نبدل ونلبس عليه شي حاجه خفيفه باش ملي نبغي نحيد لبست كشاطه وداكشي ما نعياش، فهمتوا؟ غادي نبدل عليا هاد الحوايج ونلبس لا روب اللي غادي نلبس ونوريكم. في الاخر لبست غير هاد البيضه حيت ديك الزرقاء ما عجبتنيش بزاف، ولبست هافاينس في رجلي وغادي ندير عليا صاك وقيل غادي نجمع شعري وصافي ونمشيو نخدمو. انا خرجت من الدار غادي ندير ليكرون، كنديرو هادي ديال الفوتوات زوينه. الو شتي اختي؟ الو وي مدام. صافي دابا نجمع شعري بهادي ونوريكم الجمعه. صافي دابا حتى نوصل عند النقافه ونصور لكم. هاي انا وصلت، كنتسنى في الميك اب ارتست قريبه تجي باش دير المكياج من بعد البس. انا كاين دابا عند النقافه وميمكنش عرفتي واحد لاطون هنايا معلقه واحد الشطه، ميمكنش شحال واعره بزاف.